Hi everyone, my name is Christina. I am this month's feature collector. I am 31, mother of two. I've been collecting for about 3 years and a half now. Basically, everything you'll see in my collection is based on Harley Quinn, some Joker, some Batman. You'll see some different characters that I like also because I'm into Marvel and DC. I have no preference. I love them both. I am into animations like anime and stuff. You'll see some Naruto stuff and Zelda, Kirby and stuff like that. You'll see. What got me into collecting was basically when I was a kid, I used to be into Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh, Digimon, and I wanted I was not wanted, but I was collecting their cards. So that was my main goal, to collect their cards, have all the cards possible out there about them. And then from there, years started passing, and that's when I saw Batman stuff and I saw Harley Quinn. From there, I wanted to get more involved into the storylines and stuff. So after I started seeing who Harley Quinn really was, I fell deeply in love with her personality and her character. So I just wanted to have like everything possible that it's made of her, like I wanted it. So at the moment, I don't have not a specific item that I would say is my favorite. At the moment, like my favorite, it's everything. Like basically, I love everything in my living room, everything in my collection I love. Like I don't have a specific one that I will take out from my collection and be like, this is my favorite one. No, not at the moment. If I was to have a piece, regardless of cost, what would it be? It would be the new one scale, I believe it is, from Prime One, the new Harley Quinn statue, the deluxe one. I think she is insanely beautiful. She is to die for, and I love it. I need to have it. It's basically why I'm back, like I back away from the comics, little statues and stuff like that I usually buy. I stopped. I hold myself on getting like those little items just so I could like pre-order that statue, because as soon as I seen it on their website, I need to have it. Like I want her to be the main thing on my collection. Like from there, you guys could ask me that question again, what is your favorite from your collection, and I would say it would be that statue. Like she would be awesome for my collection. She'll be perfect. So yeah, that's the main one that I wanna buy. Regardless of cost, I don't care how much it costs. I just want it. Simple. This is my first video ever. I've been battling with this video for quite some time, and just because I am video shy, I don't like showing myself on the videos, but I did it because I really want to face this fear of recording myself. I want to share all this awesomeness with the world. I want to get more involved in videos and doing reviews of every little item I get. I don't know, maybe I'll inspire people out there that want to start their collection, help, like, you know, give them that little push so they could continue with their collection or start their collection. It'll be awesome. I think that's about it about like talking. I would hop straight to my collection. I would give you a little tour of my collection. It's not that big, but hopefully you guys love it, enjoy it. the Batman statue collector for this opportunity. Thank you so much. And he'll be seeing you in the Bat Cave. Bye, guys.